All right, we found a flip face remote control Thomas. Here are some close-up. So here's what I'm going to do. I definitely decide I'm gonna post a lot of videos coming days. Oh, it's working, see? Now it does have a lot of playware. Well-loved Thomas remote control flip face Thomas. Yeah, so there's two options. You can get it on eBay, or I'm gonna leave a direct email, so you can request for an invoice. Yeah, I'm gonna try to explain this every day. See, eBay or others platforms, they get a lot of commission, and it's not worth it. So I'm gonna try to save all those fees and then reduce it onto the actual. Look at that. Now you gotta hold this button. There are some different variations. There's one variation that you just press it one and then keeps playing. This one is not the case. But like I say, it's because I don't like to be, on eBay too much. Yeah, I think it's better so I can show you on video what you're getting. See, clean battery terminals. And I mean, it's going to take time, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it so I can upload videos, showcase the item. Not all the videos are going to look the same, but look, clean battery terminals, a lot of playware. But last time I checked, I haven't checked lately a lot, but last time I checked, I found these are getting expensive on eBay. So instead of selling on eBay, I'm going to, here's another one, flip face remote control. I've been finding a lot of things, I'm trying to, this one is for James. This one for Thomas, but this one is different, Thomas remote control. And I think this one is Mattel, this one is Hitoy Company. I already checked that one. This one is Mattel. So I need to find another remote for this Thomas right here. And I need to find the right engine and remote control for this engine. Yeah, I do have a lot of this. So anyways, check the link in the description. There will be an email for where you can request an invoice if you want it. Obviously it's going to be way less than on eBay, but you got the idea. So you know what you're looking here. This one actually decals are very decent. Yeah, they're looking really cool. Okay, yeah, so it's going to be one email where you're gonna where you can contact me about only to purchase or get an invoice from for these items, whatever. You just let me know which one you're looking at, and then I send you an invoice, or you can buy it on eBay for $30 or $40 plus. So I'm trying to cut prices in half, maybe, I'm just trying something like that, instead of eBay. Let's do this on YouTube.